Apam nga wala namang beans, ano yun? Apam pero walang beans. Anong gagawin? Hi, Bob! Hi! Thank you so much, Bob. Hi, Bob. Where you from? I need to check it out. Where you from? Oh, you're from United States? Hi. United States. Hi. I'm checking your profile. You look so kind. Oh, you look so kind. You look so kind, Bob. I love talking foreign people. Because you know what? They're so kind. They're so smart. They're generous also, gentlemen. They're so smart. Hi, Filipino, my love. Hi, Yaden. Yaden? I'm great. I'm doing live. Hi, Yadin. Where you from? I need to check where you from. Where is this? Oh, Singapore. Oh my God, you're from Singapore? I think you're from Singapore. I miss Tel Aviv. I miss Atlas also. My favorite. Have you been to Salavi? Also Atlas? Hi, Ferdy. Welcome back. Hello, Ferdy. Hello, Ferdy. I was in the service. Service. Okay. Service in USA? Oh, that's why. Yes, I was in the Navy. Oh. So, so that's why you always go to other country, not only Philippines. Wow. you're so lucky. Which country you like? Me, I really want to go Monaco and Paris. Switzerland, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Oh, why Australia? Do you like the beach? Oh, really? You like the beach in Australia? I mean, where do you live? Perth? Perth? Where is Perth? I don't know. Hi, Ellie! Muy Ben and Sid. Hi! Oh, okay. Sydney, Australia. Mm. So, what's the popular there? What is... Okay, Ellie. What is popular in Perth? I wanna check where is... Wow! Australia. Second largest city in Australia. Let me check. Perth. I need to go. Perth, Australia. Ah, okay. This one. This one, right? Wow, so nice. Wow. Cut. Cut is one valley. What else? Wow, it's so nice. Elizabeth. Wow. Oh, you have luck. I mean, you're so lucky. Ah, this one, let me see in the map. Wow, Perth. Western, right? Oh, thank you so much, Ellie. Oh my God. Thank you, Ellie. I thought you will go. Thank you so much, Ellie. My God. Thank you. Oh my God. Thank you so much, Ellie. Oh my God. Thank you, Ellie. You're the best. Even you didn't talk me. You're just watching. Thank you, Ellie. My God. You're amazing. I want to say thank you for, for sharing your blessings, Ellie. Oh my God. Wow, Springfield. I need to follow you. Wait. Ellie. Brazil. Oh my God, Brazilian. Espanyol. Oh,